Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. All of us are the members of Green Society for our university. Today we would like to discuss on the best activity that we should carry out for Nature Week. We want to find an activity which is suitable for our students. Before we start, I'd like to introduce our members. This is this is Fatin Maisarah. Say hi. This is Nurul Naimah. And this is Nurul Syamin.
Hi.
And I, Muhammad Syafiq bin Hasyim. Before I start, I want to pass to Fatin Maisarah to start our discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My suggestion is we must organize a planting tree activity in Nature Week. As we know, planting activity can give us many benefits in living things and others in earth. Trees are important part of every community. Our street, parks, playground and backyards are lined with trees that create a peaceful, aesthetically pleasing environment. Trees increase our quality of life by bringing natural elements and wildlife habitats into urban settings. We gather under the cool shade they provide during outdoor activities with family and friends. Many neighbors are also the home of very old trees that serve as historic landmark and a great source of town pride. Then I pass to Nurul Naimah.
Okay, good evening everyone. So based on the topic, my topic is organize a trip to the national park.
Your suggestion?
What suggestion? What?
This is your topic or your suggestion?
Suggestion.
Oh.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, first I want to talk about what activity can do. Okay, so I will give an example is activity outdoor. Is many activity can do actually, but so far activity can do is jungle trekking. This activity not only give the rush of adrenaline, but also build our stamina. Next, when do a trip to the national park, we can explore anything and look flora and fauna. It's so beautiful and colorful.
Wow.
It was great talking with a beautiful scenery. So you can listen keeping bird and cool crystal clear water. This unique experiences, so it's most important can do is took a photograph to sharing that moment to everyone.
Oh, so interesting.
Wow.
Okay, how about you?
So I was next.
Okay. For my opinion, I want to suggest of organize camping trip to forest reserve.
Yes.
First is now, it's many young people like to the
Like
adventures.
Adventures.
Adventures activity. It many adventures activity that nurture and sometimes can relieve stress. Okay, relieve stress and sometimes can release stress.
Yeah.
One of the activity is junkie trekking. Jungle trekking.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
just like
Uh,
problem.
It's bad.
it may release to nurture young people can explore the forest in the jungle. That same time every morning some people like to listen listen the music. But when they are in the forest, that feel come with gadget to without the beauty of nature.
You mean when we go to the forest,
Yes.
we didn't bring a gadget? That you mean?
Switch off the gadget. Switch
Uh,
off the
yes.
handphone.
Because
Because beautiful beautiful nature
Natural beauty.
I didn't have line to the phone.
Yes.
Okay. Um, on my opinion is we can organize a recycle day. As we know, recycle day have many benefit to us and environment. First thing is it can reduce the size of landfills. One of the biggest reasons why recycling has been promoted is that because we can reduce the strain on our environment by utilizing waste product in a conservative way. We can slowly decrease the size of our landfill. The net benefit for the recycle is we can save money.
Serious is money.
Yes, unexpected place where the benefit of recycle can be seen in our economy. Uh, the strong economy is one of the invention in nature. Uh, Now we can reduce greenhouse gas emission. Um, when we recycle products, we attempt to save energy, which result in less in greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gas are primarily responsible for increase in global warming. When we recycle, we can reduce global warming in our earth.
Safe. Safe.
All of my opinion. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, all of us have been talk about
Natural week.
no about the our suggestion.
Or about suggestion. Okay.
You we must find one
The best.
the best for
For to do.
for nature week. We start about you.
There are many benefits in
What's your topic?
what Syafiq is organized a planting tree activity.
Okay. You think this able to do in the university?
Yes, because
Only 1 week.
yes, because we don't have time to
You don't have time. What?
Why you don't have time?
You planting the plant flowers in the university. Right.
Yeah.
That's you want do.
yes.
But we want the plant, we must buy the plant. Where you it's very expensive. One plant is very expensive. It's about um
Is it?
10 ringgit and above.
Yeah.
Hmm.
We don't buy a plant, but we buy a seed of plant to
To do in university.
to the university.
Oh.
We can save a budget.
So your thing when you're planting the plant, what happened in university? many flowers.
Yes.
I disagree with your opinion because in our university have many plants.
Yeah,
And
that's true. That's true.
You can see at the
There's
behind
health
us.
Plant.
There's
Plant.
many
plant.
plants. Oh, I think the best activity the recycle day.
Oh
No!
no!
Why?
No.
Why?
Recycle is, it's boring. We only recycle,
Boring.
recycle,
Stress because student not rush bin, rush bin,
Dustbin.
dustbin, three dustbin or recycle.
Uh-huh.
You
Student
take the
botol,
bottle plastic.
plastic and
But when we do recycle day, we don't bring our money. But we get the money back
student break.
while we selling the products.
Oh
Ah.
my, okay.
But many students
Lazy.
lazy
Lazy.
to keep the
Wait,
recycle.
but I agree this your suggestion. Yeah.
My suggestion is I like.
What your suggestion?
What is suggestion? Oh my, your suggestion
camping.
to the
Go to the
camping.
camping.
To the
Yes.
hello.
But you
Wait,
hello,
camping.
your budget.
Camping have high budget.
Have high budget. You want it's weak nature.
No.
That's your weak nature, okay?
Big.
What day you want to do? One
What
week?
day?
1 week.
No. I
Three?
don't 3 week.
3 weeks.
3 day.
3
Sorry, 3 day.
Oh, 3 days.
3 day.
3 days? 1
days.
night.
Yes.
3 days.
One
3
day,
day tonight.
Oh.
One night.
Budget, okay. How much budget you want do? 3 days? 2 night. What budget?
Budget
I think
100.
it's 100.
I think
For three
the best is recycle day.
Recycle
Because
day. I think
we
I agree.
don't
Not have budget, but when sell the
We can get money.
sell the recycle product, we can get money.
Get money back.
We
not-
do in 1 week and we can get many products
Yeah, I think.
to sell.
I think
okay.
so.
Okay, and the
I
money we
think-
can donate to our
Okay.
society.
Now I like your suggestion.
Oh,
Okay.
why?
Are
you low?
Are you lost? Okay. Here we
But
get
my message is to the
Your suggestion.
not my suggestion.
Your suggestion. I don't like.
Why?
Why?
The money is
Expensive.
money is a fresh.
Itu
We use very lot of money while we do the camping. Am I right?
If when to go the national park, I think can improve the what?
Knowledge
Knowledge.
about the forest.
Forest. You can learn about this, but you
It costs money.
with money, then you can learn. You have upgrade your mind
I think
about
when we go to the national park, we can go anytime when we free. But I think when we do the recycle activity, we can proceed not for the week, but we can proceed for the next day. We can give learn. We can give
what?
give knowledge to our students to
To
recycle product
recycle
and we can
love
teach
the
we can teach our students to love our earth.
Okay.
Okay, here we decided the best activity
I decide this.
I
agree this. Recycle
I think the best activity when can we do in Nature Week is organizing a recycle day. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
can
agree.
Very
Now I
Okay.
agree. You
Don't be sad.
suggest.
Don't be sad.
Don't be sad.
Uh,
Next year or next time,
next
you
year.
can.
Wait,
do-
next year I win
Oh, okay.
My
Depends.
opinion
Depends
will
on your
Depends on your
Opinion.
opinion
Okay.
and suggestion.
Okay.
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 So,
So
we
Okay.
now
That's all for us. And
agree.
thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for
agree to
watching.
recycle.
Yeah.
Ah,
Bye.
okay,
Okay.
bye.